Have you ever been met with the challenge of navigating multiple offers in the Ontario real estate market? Oh, the thrill and anxiety of it all. It's quite the adventure, but don't fret, there's a method to the madness. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the market dynamics. Markets fluctuate. Sometimes it's a buyer's market, sometimes it's a seller's. And then there are those times when it's a balanced market. Knowing which one you're in can provide valuable insight into what to expect when you're dealing with multiple offers. Next up, get pre-approved for a mortgage. It's like having a secret weapon up your sleeve. Pre-approval not only shows sellers you're serious, but also gives you a clear idea of what you can afford. This way, you can confidently put in an offer and know you're not biting off more than you can chew. Now, on to the importance of working with an experienced realtor. They're the compass, guiding you through the wilderness of the real estate market. An experienced realtor can help you navigate multiple offers, negotiate effectively, and ultimately make the best decision for you. Then, there's the offer itself. It's not just about the price. Consider all aspects of the offer, from conditions to closing dates and everything in between. A higher price might be tempting, but an offer with fewer conditions could be the safer bet. Finally, stay informed and be ready to act quickly. The Ontario real estate market waits for no one. Keep an eye on new listings, be ready to view properties at a moment's notice, and don't hesitate when you find the right one. To summarize, understanding the market, getting pre-approved, working with an experienced realtor, carefully considering the offer, and staying ready to act quickly are all key to dealing with multiple offers in the Ontario real estate market. Tapping into resources like the Ontario Real Estate Association, Canadian Real Estate Association, Realtor.ca, and financial institutions for mortgage pre-approval can also provide invaluable support. So, take a deep breath, put on your game face, and step into the exciting world of Ontario real estate. You've got this.